Review time. That's right. We're going to do a little review. All right, you guys ready? All right, just hold on and buckle your seats, and I'll try to make this painless, okay? Hey, thank you for watching my videos, by the way. I appreciate you when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully you get some darn value out of these darn things, okay? I like to make my videos fun and just real, no production. I think you guys appreciate that in the long run. And that's what I'd like to do with this review of the multiple income funnel, okay? So if you guys are ready, let me just warm up my hands. Because if you go like this, sometimes you get good luck, when you roll dice. And sometimes when you have a keyboard in front of you and one of these little mouses, you got to kind of like finger its little bum. See, you got to, oh. Who knew that you'd be doing this with your finger to a mouse, especially when you're a grown-ass man like myself, okay? Now, this is what you do first. I want you to go to this page, and it is pleasewatchvideo.com, okay? So, with the multiple income funnel, it's been around a year or two, but this is the brand new 2.0 version that you're looking at. Okay, what I'm going to show you, we're going to go in the back office. This page right here was built by the multiple income funnel. Okay, I didn't have to build it. I don't have to maintain it. All I do is choose it. And they have a whole bunch of other pages like this you can use to get people interested, which is basically you click this video here and you watch the YouTube, video. It's pretty easy. And then click this red button. But I like to choose this one. I'm just into palm trees and working on your tan. It's kind of cool. What I did is I went to GoDaddy and I just bought pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, it was like $11, 99 cents. And I forward it to this link up here, okay? So if you join this funnel, I hope you do the same thing. Just get like a fun name that's easy to remember. And that way, boom, you can just forward it to maybe this page. I signed up, I think, 47 people using this exact page in April of 2024, okay? And right now, it is the first week going on the second week of May, okay, of 2024. So anyway, pleasewatchvideo.com. Watch the video, okay? And click that red little button right there, okay? Let's go in the back office. Now, when you join, this is the back office, okay? How come this is new? What's the features, Cory? All right, if I do a review a year or two ago, why is this different? Okay, if you look in the middle, stream 2 and stream 3, you can put any business opportunity you want in number 2 or number 3. And if you don't have any idea what to put there, don't worry. I'm going to show you, okay? Because I kick ass with all 4 of these income streams, okay? They're impressive. Now, you go ahead and join, and you're going to get a username and a password. Just fill some things out, but the first thing you want to do is step 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have to do all 4 in a row. Don't go step 3 and then go to 1, then go to 4, and then go to 2. Just follow exactly what the video says, because when you hit step 1, you're just going to watch this video. Step 2, watch the video. Take your time. There's no rush, and if you get stuck, get a hold of me. I'm really good at setting this funnel up. I can usually do it in like 5 to 10 minutes because I've done about 100 of them at this point. So the first income stream is the funnel that you're looking at right now. Okay, this changed my life quite drastically, and I didn't see it coming. I wish I could say I'm some guru and I got this big list and I just saw this income funnel stream and I just knew this and knew that. Okay, I was introduced to this funnel system because I'm in a company called LIVEGOOD, number 2 here, okay? And I had someone say, well, why don't you have some things that complement LIVEGOOD? Like people that need leads, clicks, traffic. Maybe they need some other things to help them promote LIVEGOOD. And I'm like, well, that makes sense. Maybe I'll look into this funnel. And then I like the comparison of like, well, if you want a badass taco, you need 4 things. Taco shell, meat, cheese, hot sauce. If you want a nice hot fudge sundae, you need 4 things. Just like this funnel has 4 things. Ice cream, hot fudge, maybe some whipped cream and cherries. Okay, and I thought, well, if I can put 2 of my incomes in number 2 and 3, and number 1 and 4, they're locked in place, okay? Because Traffic Authority, they actually own the funnel. Okay, just like Chevrolet owns the Camaro, Chevrolet owns the Corvette, Traffic Authority is a company, and one of the features they own is this funnel system, okay? So when it comes down to this funnel system that you're looking at right now, okay, this is the back office, which I'll totally help you set up. okay? But I'm going to show you exactly what I do to churn out quite a substantial amount of cash. And this is what I'm doing May 13th of 2024. Okay, this isn't a year ago. This isn't some fake it to make it video. I don't have to with this. This funnel system, it speaks for itself. And people choose if they want to join or not. Now, funnel number 1 is my biggest income out of these 4 choices. Okay? The reason why is because if people want to join for the month, it's $49. And guess what? I get 20 of that. And the company gets the other 29. So that's awesome. If you guys come in at $49, that $20 is like buying me, what, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And I appreciate that, you guys. I really do. Okay? Now, if you believe in this opportunity and you want to join for the year, that's what I recommend you do. And this is why. Now listen up. $350 is a one-time option that this funnel will offer you. Okay? If you come back and you want to upgrade down the road, they're going to charge you 50 more bucks. But if you got the $350, I so recommend joining for the year. This is why. Number 1, the next 12 months, there's no cost. For that $350, you are done. Okay? Every single month, you are completely done, and it's all profit when people join Income Stream 1 for either the month, where you get 20, but guess what? When everyone joins for the year, you get $200 now. The next 12 months. Okay? The first 2 people that signed up when I went ahead and said, ready, set, go, and I signed up for the year. I had 2 ladies. They signed up for the year. Guess what? 200 times 2 is $400. I made my money back the first 45 minutes. Okay? Last month, I signed up 47 people. Guess what? 75% joined for the year. You know how many $200 bills that is? That's a lot of money, guys. So the $350 upgrade, is it worth it? Hell yeah. You're not losing it. It's not gone forever. All you got to do is just follow what I do, and I think you're going to have a darn good chance of getting some really nice, happy things in your pockets. And that's quarters, dollars, 20s. How about some Benjamins? Okay? This produces cash. There's no doubt about it. I can't question it because I'm doing it. This isn't a video that I watched a video about some guy that made a video about a girl that made a video that makes money. I'm actually living it right now as I'm sitting here producing this. Okay, and like I said, it's May 13th of 2024. So if you're watching this within a day or 2 of the production, I want to show you exactly what I'm doing to churn this kind of money. Okay? So income stream number 1, I recommend you join for the year. Now, number 2 is LiveGood. This is my baby. This is my long-term investment. Okay, if you go to joincory.com, you can check it out. It's a great company. A number 30 out of 1.3 million people recruiting. Okay, this is a brand new company. They're only a year and a half old, and they sell badass products for wholesale. Okay, it's a worldwide endeavor, and this is the income that I like to put in income stream number 2. I'm really good at this company. If you don't have any idea what to put in this slot, please look into this opportunity, which is joincory.com. And if you want to lock hands, shake hands, all right, do a little dance, shake our butts, all right, let's do it. Okay, my lead gen is number 3. I love this company because it's a good, affordable way to get email leads every day. For $1 a day, you get 100. If people join you by using the affiliate link, you get 200. And I'll show you how to do that. So for $1 a day, you get 200 leads. 200 times 30, what is that, 600? 600 email leads for people looking for a business opportunity online. Okay? That's why I put this in number 3. Remember how I said you need a taco shell, meat, cheese, and hot sauce like number 4? Well, I think people need leads. They need people to look at the business. So what I do is I take all of my leads and I put them right into my capture page, right here. That way people come in, they join the funnel for $20 commission in my pocket, or maybe they want to come in for the year where I get $200. And how nice is it when they start looking at LiveGood? They'll join LiveGood and they go, you know what? I like this funnel system. I like LiveGood. And I love that I'm getting leads from my lead gen. Okay. And number 4, boom. This is the company that owns this whole website, this whole funnel thing. Okay. It's Traffic Authority. All you got to do is just sign up with them, $20 if you want to be an affiliate, and you can earn money by people buying educational courses or clicks or traffic. And if you want to buy leads, clicks, or traffic or education, please do so. But you don't have to do anything. If you don't want to do anything with Traffic Authority, that's okay. But I do recommend paying the $20 and being an affiliate. At least earn some extra money off the people that are buying through your account. Okay, why not get paid? All right, it makes sense. So that's what I did. I become an affiliate with Traffic Authority. They put thousands of bucks in my pocket each month. And so does my lead gen, and so does LiveGood. There's easily 6,000 to 7,000 a month. 4, 3, 2. Okay? And number one, if I make 2 to 4 to 600 bucks a day by one person signing up, that's usually what I've averaged. I did that, I think, 67 days in a row. I made anywhere from $200 to $600 a day just on stream number one. So I'm a big fan of the multiple income funnel. So here it is, May, and that I hope I can sign up another 30, 45 people, and 75% will probably join for the year. So if you want to take, I don't have a calculator on me, but if you take, like, let's say 30 people times $200, guys, that is some really nice money. Okay, you got to pay tax on that. Now remember, this is not like ClickBank where you get a percentage, like 1% of 1% of one. Okay, guys, when you get $200, that's what you make every week. They pay every week. Okay, you got to configure your bank where you want to transfer the money to. But I'll tell you what, if your income for the week is $1,000, you're going to make that 1,000, and you got to save a couple bucks because you got to pay tax. Okay, that's the hardest part when you have businesses like this. You keep forgetting to save some money for the tax man or the tax woman. Okay, but you guys will do a good job. So this is just a basic review of the multiple income funnel. All right, the funnel 1 is awesome. Number 2, I put LiveGood. I put lead gen for number 3. And number 4, Traffic Authority, okay? Remember, there's customer service. The owner, Greg's awesome. Mandy is awesome. We can help you set this up and market it properly. See all the training tabs right here? Excellent training. Everybody that joins you is under the team tab, and you get tons of leads every day, so you can email those people any opportunity. I just welcome them and say, hey, guys, if you're interested in LiveGood, come on. How about my lead gen? Let's do it, okay? And they have contests every month. I've been the top 3, I think, out of 50 or 100,000 people are in this company, but I've been in the top 3 for 3 months in a row now. So whatever I'm doing seems to work. I'll show you exactly what I do. I don't sell information. All I do is just recommend joining for the year on Stream 1, joining LiveGood for only $49.95, joining my lead gen, it's only $30 a month. And on Traffic Authority, it's up to you. If you want to be an affiliate, do the 20, and we'll work it out from there. And if you want to buy some leads, education, it's up to you, okay? So I'll just leave you with how I promote all this after it's all set up. And I want you to do the same. Go to GoDaddy and buy a domain name. I bought pleasewatchvideo.com. And guess what? I want you to please watch the video. And it's right there in front of you, okay? So just click that YouTube video, hit the little red button right there, and let's get you signed up. I'll help you guys. I'll help you set up LiveGood, my lead gen. I'll help you set up this whole entire funnel, okay? You just got to sign up with each, opportunity, and let's get you 4 incomes with one click, all right? LiveGood does not pay enough in the beginning. It's a good investment, but it's long term. I want you to promote 1 click and have 4 opportunities to make money, substantial amounts. I'm not talking $100 here, $100 there. I want you to make 5 to 10 grand a month because it's just as easy to make $10 a month. This is all about what makes sense and scaling up and people sitting back and going, you know what, I'm going to join for the year. I like LiveGood. I'm going to go ahead and long-term invest that. Let's join. I need lead gen because I want to get some nice email leads to put into this funnel system I just showed you. And then with Traffic Authority, just sit back and you'll figure it out. You'll know in your guts what you need to do with Traffic Authority, okay? All right, high five, boom, smack. Get a hold of me if you have questions. I'm pretty darn good at this multiple income funnel thing, okay? It is worth your time. It's worth your money. And don't look at that $350 like you're going to Vegas and throwing it away or getting hotel rooms and you're never getting your money back, okay? I need you to sign up for the year because I want you to get $200 commissions. They feel dang good. Okay? Wait till you start getting 2 or 3 in a day and it's noon and you just made $600. And you got to pay tax on that. So you save some money too. Okay, thanks guys. And I'll talk to you next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, take it easy guys. See you next time. It's a badass funnel, I'll tell you that.